Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Tuesday, August 13th, 2019. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES. You'll notice right here that the ES has broken below Friday's low on the previous session here. That's after price failed to hold above the 29.25 zone, the 29.20s. Price dropped down and steadily pushed lower into the afternoon. What I mentioned to our trading room yesterday afternoon was if price were to pull back into 2900 today, even as high as 2905, that could be an opportunity for bears to defend for a shot at pushing this thing lower. So far, we haven't gotten that high so far today. We have a high of 28.89.5, but price could still push up toward the 2900 level and offer a retest in that zone for a shot at pushing this thing down. So this is going to be the key level to watch, 2900 to 2905 for today. Again, any push into that area offers an opportunity for bears to defend and rotate this thing lower. As of right now, we are seeing a pullback. We'll see if this pullback leads to a retest of the lows, or do we find a higher support area in here where it starts to find some sort of support ahead of the next move. Overall, this market has been high in volatility, and after a couple of weeks of high volatility type of trading behavior, it would not be out of the ordinary to see a little bit of digestion here before the next key move occurs. So right now we'll be watching again 2900 for a shot at lower prices. Above 2900 would open up a return back toward recent highs. Alright, taking a look now at the NQ. You'll see here the NQ showing very similar price action. Again, yesterday afternoon in the trading room we identified 7600 to 76.20 as an opportunity for bears to defend. Today the high is 75.94 quarter, so we've gotten pretty close to that 7600 zone. Again, during RTH there still may be an opportunity for price to push up above that area, and somewhere between 7600 and 76.20 there could be an opportunity for bears to defend and rotate this thing back down. Any acceptance back above there, especially by the end of the day, again could open up the potential for a trading range to develop between 7,500 and 7,750. Alright, let's take a look now at crude oil. You'll see here with crude oil, again this one has been on an upswing with higher highs and higher lows day over day. In the previous session, price formed a little box above the previous highs, right above 5,500, and rotated back down. Today we're also seeing that in the wee hours of the morning, 3 o'clock a.m. Central. Price pushed above the previous session's high there and formed a little box, and then has now rotated back down. So again, this is a zone that we've been looking at quite a bit, that 55 CLVN. Very clear resistance that we've seen, very clear support at times, and after going offered here as it did before, the retest is now very important, and it's retesting it now. Again, any failure to get above or find acceptance back above that 55 level likely suggests another retest back toward these lows, very similar to what happened last time around. And again, if price cannot get above 5,500, the range is likely 55 evens. The range is 50 to 55, and so again we could be heading right back down toward those recent lows. Eventually that 50 level, 50 half, that's a big time zone of support that is held all year long. If price can't hold that level, it opens up the 42s down the way. Alright, let's take a look now at gold futures. Gold is up another 1+% today, exploding through the 1525 level, reaching a high of 1546.10. It has been a very bullish month so far, again following a July that was very compressed. That followed a June that was a high range month, trending month to the upside. So again, that brings up the old adage that expansion leads to compression, compression leads to expansion, and it's one of the foundational concepts of technical analysis there. You have the bullish outside day here, and that's triggered the uptrending move here that we've seen so far. We have yet to test the 8-period average ever since the crossover occurred here. And again, any pullback into that zone could still provide a great buying opportunity for a continuation higher. Any pullback, even as deep as 1460, could still be a buying opportunity in August for gold. Alright, that is it for now. We'll see how this develops heading into the rest of the session. Good luck, trade well, and I'll see you in the trading room. Take care.